Where do I find it?
I'll give it to you maybe later if.
Well, like, what's the website or something?
You say that's public?
It is. It is.
So then why can't you give that?
Because I only have certain people that watch. I have a certain audience. I don't want the police all up in my.
But then you say you go to police stations to film them too.
Oh yes, I can do that. It's public.
Yep. Well, that's different. This is private property, right?
Yes.
This is private property.
It's right here though. But the private property, well, whoever owns the private property, then put that there. These are the rules and regulations. You guys cannot change it.
You have to prove it to us. You don't have to. But how do we know it's for a news story? You say it's a news story.
It is for a news story.
Yeah. That's what you say.
But the manager of the property can overrule it. Like if.
Well, when I came here, I didn't make a big deal.
But say Menards has a policy that says you can. The store manager can still call and say, I want him off the property.
Of course.
Which is what's happening here.
I left, and I came back, and I literally told that lady, I said...
You didn't ask any of us either when we came in or whatever if you could film us.
Well, no, I don't need your permission. Then I asked her, and I said, hey, can I speak to Michael? And then I'll be out of here. That's exactly what I told her. And I just want to talk to him for a little bit. I waited 5 minutes. He didn't come out. I was about to leave until you guys show up. The thing is, I didn't leave when you guys came. It's because I don't want them making up some story, and then you guys have to go around chasing the guy.
Okay, listen. You guys are both partially right. You can walk in here.
I go everywhere, man.
Yeah, you can listen to me or you can talking. You can come in here and film me, but they can tell you have to leave.
I took pictures.
Both. You can come in here and take pictures. Mm-hmm. They can also tell you have to leave.
And what did I do?
Doesn't matter. They can tell you have to leave. It's private property.
I could take pictures in here. This is what it says. I will fight you anywhere you want on that, and I don't give a damn.
For news purposes, maybe take. You say news, but
I don't have to. I don't have to work for TMJ4.
No, you don't have to.
Nowadays, with the computers, anybody can be an independent journalist. I'm an independent journalist.
But it's not true.
What do you mean? What's not true?
This is their rules, right? Their rules and regulations.
Real rules and regulations.
But the manager can say they want you out because it's private property. It's not law.
But I haven't done nothing wrong.
I know, but it's not law.
But I'm following their rules and regulations. You want to arrest me for trespassing? Go ahead, and I will see you in court, and I will see you guys in court. Can I get your name? I need your name.
I need your name.
I need your name. I need to follow. I need to follow.
Going to other post offices doing this.
No, I said that I was leaving. When they show up, I decided to stay in the front because I said.
Have you contacted this person? And what would they like us to do?
I need your name, ma'am. I can't leave here without your name. I need to follow up, and I'm going to see you in court. I need to see you in court. I've done this before, guys. Don't. All right.
Yeah, I've been doing this for a while too.
No, I'm not saying you're a police officer. I'm saying me. Right. I've done this before, and I've debated and argued with plenty of postmasters. Okay, I know what I'm doing is legal.
Talk to the manager for a minute.
You want to talk to him, or do you want me to talk to him?
Yeah, really.
I'll talk to him. Either way.
I need her name. I need her name. I need your name. What can I get her name?
She's not obligated to give it to you.
But she's out here saying,
You're not giving her your name either.
I don't have to. I haven't committed a crime.
She doesn't have to give you hers either.
If I'm lawfully arrested or something, then.
Well, not yet. I mean,
I don't care. I have no warrants or nothing.
That's really what it comes down to.
Yeah, and then I came back to talk to Michael and explain and do some little talking. Then you saw me walking out the door, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
If the manager asks you to leave, you have to leave.
No, I don't. Unless I'm doing something unlawful. Being here is not unlawful. All right, you guys.
No, I mean in the police station that's true, or
anywhere.
Or City Hall, no.
Anywhere that's open to the public.
Not open to the public. It's different.
This is not open to the public. Anybody can come in here and drop. It's right there, sir. How come you can't see it? You want to be against me right now, but why don't you understand what that says? It says it right there. I understand. What you guys' issue is that I don't give my name and I don't tell you what my YouTube or my internet situation is, right? No. So that you guys can confirm that I'm independent media.
No.
I do blogs. I post it online, and thousands of people see my stuff.
I didn't ask you. I asked you once, and you said you're not telling me, so I didn't push it. So
I don't mind telling you, but I don't feel like I did anything wrong.
But the point I'm making is, this isn't a law. This is the rules. It's not law.
It's rules and regulations, though. That's what they have to follow, though. That's what they have to follow. Am I right or am I wrong?
So
that's what they have to follow. Am I right? It's their rules and regulations.
No. Talk to me.
Rules.
Because you keep trying to jump around on things. So this is their rules. Mm-hmm. So if they violate the rules, what's the problem?
I don't know what
do they get in trouble with?
I don't know what happens. I don't know.
It's an internal problem.
I have no idea.
But the law is, if the manager here says you have to leave, you have to leave.
No.
Yes.
That's not how it works.
That is how it works.
All right.
If they violate their internal rules by saying
you're looking at this as if it was like a Walmart, Target, whatever. You're looking at this as if it was I'm standing on somebody's yard. You're trespassing. Get out.
It is private property.
To a certain extent.
This is not.
They get federal funds too. They get taxpayers' money too, whether you like it or not. I know they do.
It's still private property.
But the rules and regulations says I've been through this before, you guys. I mean,
if they do make an issue out of it and you have a problem with it, you can make a complaint to them.
But I need her name. I need her name.
Yeah, we just want them to be up property.
Okay.
But if you go to the post office too, it's going to be the same thing. You're going to be escorted off.
Lady, you know how many post offices I've been to? I've
been
to the biggest one. I was trying to explain to him. I went to the one in downtown, the huge one, right? And as soon as I walked in, that bald-headed security guard flipped out. No, you know him? No, you can't film him. You can't film him. Well, that's him. You can, the one with missing teeth. And he went all over across the street. His hands waving in the air, and I'm filming him. I'm like, oh my God. Cops show up, first district. Man, like 7 police cars. And at the end,
no, we don't have that many.
First district? You're not first district, right? And then at the end, nothing. 2 bearded federal guys came outside and says, just because you filmed the security post inside, and I'm like, is that policy? Yeah, it's policy. Well, policy is blah blah blah. They let me go. That's it. So if that big one over there let me go, I know what I'm doing. I know.
I can't enforce their internal rules.
I know.
If the manager calls and says,
sure.
"They want you off the property,"
sure.
Go.
What's the guidelines?
And if you want to make a complaint,
let us know in advance.
If you want to make a complaint to the postal inspector about them violating the rules, you can call them. But as far as
okay,
I have limited power here too.
I understand.
If they call and they say this person's on our property and we want them to leave, you got to go.
I know. You guys are doing like what the police work. If you guys, trespassing somebody, I understand that.
Right.
You understand.
Is an ordinance. It's a city ordinance.
I wouldn't be also doing this if I knew that what I was doing was, not, unlawful. If it was unlawful, so I know I've been through this before.
You can talk to anybody or anything. You just start filming and. Then
well, I try not to get nobody's faces and no postal workers' faces until they came up to me, and then other than that, I was just filming the lobby, and that's it. That's it, and I was about to leave.
Yeah, because I came back. 45 minutes ago.
And I was back there.
Back there.
And then I came back and I said, can I speak to Michael? And I just want to, I was going to say, hey, I'm sorry that we got into some kind of debate, because he was kind of heated.
Straight answers to calling that.
No, I know. But I wanted to talk to the guy. He was pretty heated and he kind of raised his voice. So I know he probably messed up his day or something or whatever.
No, he was working with Carrie on the street.
Okay. But, yeah,
Nobody likes to be filmed, trust me. You walk around with a camera, right?
Oh, of course.
So you can film things. Everything I talk to is filmed.
Yeah.
Everything I do all day
I know
is
that.
filmed. So people don't like it.
Customers don't like it,
It doesn't matter though. I mean,
no, but I'm just saying, you're saying, like I'm saying even here, saying that
he's
it's no
right as far as if
anybody.
they're in a public place. And
Yeah, well, this is also exercising my First Amendment right. So,
to a point though, I mean, it is still private property and they can ask you to leave.
But the rules are right there on the wall. They wouldn't put it. They wouldn't put it on the wall.
But a violation of their rules doesn't mean they can't tell you to leave.
Oh, of course.
If they violate the rules, that's internal.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you're saying that they're saying it so they don't get in trouble, or whatever.
With their employer.
Mm-hmm.
But as far as them telling you got to go, and
okay.
they tell you and they call.
No, I understand. But
that is trespass.
I guess that we're all seeing it in different. We can bicker back and forth or whatever, but you're seeing it in your way.
I'm not going to argue the big point of whether you should be able to film or whose permission you need. I'm just telling you, I have a very small part of this.
Well, of
Whereas
course.
you're in private property, if they ask you to leave and you don't, that's the extent of what I can do.
You're only following what you've been told or what you've been, but in reality, that's the whole truth in black and white. I can film here, and I know that you're going to go against what I say, or you're going to go against no, it's not true. It's a federal building. No, I can actually film here, but you can look it up for my protection and you guys' liability if something happens. Yes, I'm filming right now.
And I don't agree with that. You didn't ask to film me here.
But I got to. Police is called, and now I got to film.
Property.
They're filming. He's filming me right now, and you know he's filming me. And
I'm filming.
I have to. I have to too for my protection. Would you agree on that? I mean, just for my protection, just in case I have to take you to court. Okay, you guys.
All right,
you guys have a good one. All right. Thank you. All right, see what happened. I guess it was like a debate, but at the end the cops didn't push it too much. The lady didn't push it too much. So I don't know. Maybe one day I'll come back. Maybe not. You guys tell me what you think about what happened. I was ready to go to jail, whatever. I really don't care. But anyways, I got other places to go. All right? This is Shadow with Shadow Cam, Wisconsin. Peace.